Today I'm going to teach you how to send an email from a Power BI button. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to create interactive reports that allow users to quickly send emails directly from your dashboard without leaving Power BI. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the View options. Click on Table View to switch to that perspective. This view gives you a clearer look at your data structure and makes it easier to work with columns and formulas. Now shift your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Data. Click on the specific table or data set where you want to add your Send Email button. It's important to select the correct table because this is where your email functionality will be linked. Once you've selected your table, navigate to the top menu and click on New Column. This action creates a space where you can input a formula that will generate your email button functionality. At this point, you'll need a DAX formula to create the email link. I have a sample DAX formula ready for you, so feel free to pause the video here if you need time to copy it down. Keep in mind that you can customize the column name and adjust the data source to match your specific table name and field names. Once you've prepared or copied your formula, simply paste it into the DAX field and press the Enter key to confirm it. After your formula is applied, head back to the top menu and click on Column Tools. This section gives you additional options for how your column behaves and displays. Find the option labeled Data Category and click the drop-down menu beside it. From the list that appears, select Web URL. This step is crucial because it tells Power BI to treat your new column as a clickable web link, which is what enables the email functionality. Now, move to the right side of your screen and click on the Report View icon. This switches you back to the main report canvas where you can start building your visual elements. On the right side, locate the email button column that you just created and check the box next to it to add it to your table visual. Next, look at the Visualizations panel on the right side of the screen. You'll see various icons representing different visual elements. Click on the URL icon to activate the URL functionality for your button. Then find the toggle button beside values and turn it on. This final step ensures that your email button is active and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a functional email button in Power BI that users can click to send emails directly from your report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.